Hello everyone. Today I would like to share about my research. The title is Architecture Design of Ambient Media to Build Cleanliness Awareness in Campus Environment. With me, Yudhistya Ayu Kusumawati, and also my team, Elizabeth Pascalia Gunawan, Satria Dirgantara, and my students, Mada Ayu Adinda Primadewi. Each country has environmental problems and issues we cannot prevent. Indonesia included into a Big Ten country with the largest population in the world. This will invest some continuation problems. According to Life Environment and Forestry Ministry, Indonesia produced national garbage in 2020 reached 67.8 million tons. Indonesia occupied the second rank in the world of amount of 64 million tons per year, where amount 3.2 million tons of plastic trash thrown away into the sea. In the early year of 2020, Indonesia government announced their commitment in World Economic Forum 2020. Orwell said that Indonesia will get free from plastic pollution in the year 2040, with enhancing circular economy by push fast-moving consumer goods corporates to start a commitment of reducing one-use plastic of their products and also apply reuser and refill concept. Responding to the state cleanliness campaign is a must, especially in institution educational environment where the place young generation gain knowledge. Every solution we offer, one of them is to build trust awareness campaign with ambient media. This research focuses on developing and take advantage of technology to give a positive contribution to building the Indonesia community. This ambient media smart bus design project designed to help to solve environment problem, especially by educating in a campus environment. In this research, proposed we use smart bus as an ambient media, which provide cleanliness campaign to the user. Utilization of the environment becomes stimulation to deliver new advertisement information perception. Based on the explanation before, this research need to be done before it's important to gain the user awareness about environment cleanliness, and there are still few studies focused on designing an ambient media design about environmental issues. So what is the ambient media? The definition of ambient media is everything about creativity and how to advertise the information to the audience as effective as it is. Ambient media has defined as uncommon advertisement placement or in the place which is not conventional. It is necessary to be discovered and found in innovative way. Is by approaching unique curious ambient media at once, offer media that feel closer to daily life audience group target. Ambient media advertisement is outdoor advertisement, which has innovative format that this type of advertisement common to be even in unexpected advertisement placement out from the common placement to draw consumer attention and leave the present location or able to direct interaction with the consumer as long as normal daily activities. All of the potential advertising media, the unique creative concept, modern reason, and time is the key theme in ambient media advertisement to achieve the target. The research method. This research is using design thinking methods. The first thing is empathy. Empathy is the main key of design process. Focus on humans. The main purpose of this process is to understanding humans in context to design purpose. In this process, we command to understand how human does something and how they do it, what they want, what they needs, physical needs and community emotional, how they think with the word and what does it what does that mean for them. In this research context, the author has an intensive interview with several campus students of Bina Nusantara. After doing some interview and observe, we gain some important informations to use in design method. The second one is define process. The designer is invited to thinking and filtering what happened recently according to the empathy process. The purpose of the process is to um, invite the designer to gain perspective from the problem. The third one is ideate. Uh, ideate defines a design process where the designer focuses on developing various ideas. This process will be very important because in this process, there will appear various possible solutions to solve the problem. The first step is prototype, is a process where the chosen idea put into a small scale of designing. The purpose of this process is to make user feel easier to directly imagine the design solution they have been given, because designer think is more convenient to explain their ideas with prototype than with words. Last one is the test process. In this process, author tries to design and get a feedback from the user. The way to do this process is to invite user to use the design process and use it in a daily life. So in this research, we're trying to um, give give author feedback about smart trust in ambient media. So the researchers give respondent a questionnaire that consists of 14 questions. The question uses a semantic differential measurement with value measured using a Likert scale. This differential semantic is used to read the visual prototype value from 12 questions. In this questionnaire, there will be two aspect evaluation. There are from visualization or the visual design and the user perception with the visual uh, design. This the result of this research, according to the design thinking method, is applied ambient media on the smart bus, but interior and exterior with the same design concept. Besides focus on designing the concept of the bus with ambient media, the researcher also used several informative advertisements regarding cleanliness awareness environment. There are a poster campaign and smart trustbin, but it is quite different with the smart bus ambient media advertisement. If in a smart bus is really focused on giving informative advertisement with ambient media, then the researcher does not use ambient media on a poster campaign as smart dustbin. Poster campaign classified to gustatory. Okay, smart bus has many definition, but smart bus will always have relation with the technology. That is why the researcher choose to use the name of smart bus, BINUS smart bus. The definition of smart bus is a modern technological vehicle that is able to do things automatically, but uh, use sensor or anything related to the technological system. The author use smart to describe the technology system of the bus from the design side. In the Venus Smart Bus, there are various features we able to experience. The Venus Smart Bus has an autopilot drive system. It is very possible to apply autopilot drive system in land vehicle, especially with Venus Smart Bus in that reality. From the exterior of Venus Smart Bus is showing ambient media that the people able to categorize as a university student have been thrown out their trash outside the bus from the bus window. This can be this can be some meaning that the people are thrown out the traces to getting worse that unclean earth they live. There are one sentence after the people. The sentence says, put the trash where it should be. The researcher means that the sentence, if we want to have a better life to live, then we have to put the trash where it should be. Obviously, in separate trash bin rely on their type of trash. Same as ambient media, the exterior of Venus Smart Bus, the interior, the Smart Bus also have ambient media. The ambient media have shown on the seat where there are some randomly scattered trash. They have the same sentence in headrest with uh, with the exteriors of ambient media designs. In cleanliness awareness poster campaign, there is a concept that quite different with the Venus Smart Bus before. From the color side, uh, the poster campaign used dominated red color to give aware impression to the audience with digital illustrated many type of the dress we usually meet. There is the same sentence I mean in the poster campaign with the Venus Smart Bus exterior and inside the ambient media design, put the dress where it should be. When Venus Smart Bus more use ambient media design, poster campaign more use gestalt theory. Uh, in psychology, set is to understand the ability to maintain things, the untidy words into satisfying to be seen or into meaningful to be felt. Different from the poster campaign, we know Smart Dustbin is more inclined with technology, same as Binu Smart Bus, because also Binu Smart Dustbin is used in the Smart Bus. Binu Smart Dustbin is a smart separated of four types of trash. This trash bin likely to open with a hand with one of the types of profile trash approach the trash, and the smart trash bin will automatically detect with sensor then open one of the health trashes. The Binus smart trash bin body is transparent, so people are able to see the separated trash. This the separated four type of trash are categorized into organic, non-organic, paper, and also medical trash. This Venus smart trash bin is categorized is a part of a cleanliness awareness campaign in the campus environment because of the point of sorting trash into four types. This type of campaign is very possible to categorize because satisfies the spirited trust, make people follow the way um, Pinus smart trust being spirited trust, and it's easy to recycle. So the conclusion. In this paper, architecture design of Pinus Smart Bus proposed to gain cleanliness awareness among students in university, also in public society. Pinus Smart Bus is a model of smart bus which provide experience to the users. There are various features that able to experience by the users, such as the autopilot drive system and face recognize. Albinus Smart was also equipped with a smart trash bin, which is categorized into four types of trash. There are organic trash, non-organic trash, medical trash, and paper trash. This model can be recommendation for educational institution to educate their people about environmental issues. And hopefully this model can be implemented as a medium to support environmental campaign, especially in campus life. So I think it's enough. Thank you so much for your attention.